Look up at the night sky and imagine a single object so impossibly massive, it takes light 3.3 billion years just to cross from one side to the other. It is called the giant arc, and according to every known law of physics we have, it should not exist.
Einstein theorized that space and time are interwoven into a flexible fabric,
called the Big Ring.
And where mass gathers, the grid is stretched,
these
creating
cosmic
a gravitational
megastructures make up 9% of the observable universe's entire radius. Scientists around the world are now genuinely baffled, and some top astrophysicists are whispering that our entire model of reality might be dead wrong. Because if the universe is supposed to be random, who, or what, is organizing galaxies into perfect, billion light-year wide patterns? To understand why this is terrifyingly weird, you need to know the golden rule of astronomy, the cosmological principle. It states that if you zoom out far enough,
Einstein theorized that space and time are interwoven into a flexible fabric, and where mass gathers, the grid is stretched,
no lumps
creating a
larger than
gravitational
1.2 billion light-years can possibly form. That is a hard, unbreakable physical limit. But this is where things get strange, because our newest telescopes are finding structures 3 times that size, hiding in the dark. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why thousands of truth seekers are joining Deep Space Secrets every single day. If you want to stay ahead of the discoveries that are rewriting our reality, hit that follow button right now. Because what we found hiding in the constellation of Boötes changes everything.
Einstein theorized that space and time are interwoven into a flexible fabric,
A researcher
and where mass
named
gathers,
Alexia
the grid is
Lopez was
stretched,
analyzing
creating a
light from
gravitational
ultra-distant quasars using the Sloan Digital Sky Survey. She was not looking for a megastructure. But as she mapped the data, a pattern emerged in the darkness. A nearly perfect crescent of galaxies, 3.3 billion light-years long. The astronomical community panicked, trying to brush it off as a statistical fluke. Until January 2024, when Lopez pointed her instruments at the exact same neighborhood of space, and found something even more impossible. She discovered the Big Ring.
Einstein theorized that space and time are interwoven into a flexible fabric, and where mass gathers, the grid is stretched, creating a gravitational.
Imagine dropping a hula hoop over a completely random scattering of sand, and finding that the grains of sand perfectly outline the hoop. That is what we are looking at. The leading theory: baryon acoustic oscillations. Scientists suggest these are ancient sound waves from the Big Bang that froze into the fabric of space, leaving spherical ripples behind. It is a beautifully satisfying answer, but it creates a massive, glaring problem. But here is where it gets crazy. The giant
Einstein
arc and the Big
theorized that
Ring
space
are
and
practically
time are
right next to
interwoven
each
into a
other.
flexible fabric,
They are at
and where
the
mass
exact
gathers,
same
the grid is
distance from
stretched,
Earth,
creating a
9.2
gravitational.
billion light-years away. Nobel laureate Roger Penrose suggests these are not just random sound waves, but the collision scars of a previous universe that existed before the Big Bang. Others argue they are evidence of cosmic strings, one-dimensional cracks in the universe left over from the dawn of time. Stay with me here, because I genuinely want to know what you think. Are these megastructures just the natural physics of a universe we do not fully understand yet? Are they the ghostly scars of a previous universe?
Einstein theorized that space and time are interwoven into a flexible fabric, and where mass gathers, the grid is stretched,
Drop your
creating a
wildest theories
gravitational.
in the comments below. I read every single one, and the debate going on down there right now is mind-blowing. By the end of this video, you will understand why this affects how we see our place in the universe. If the cosmological principle is wrong, then the foundation of modern astrophysics crumbles. Dark matter, dark energy, the actual age of the universe, all of our calculations are based on the assumption that the universe is smooth. If it is not, if it is structured, layered, or even designed, we have to
Einstein
throw out the
theorized that
textbooks.
space and time are
And
interwoven
the
into a
James Webb
flexible
Space
fabric,
Telescope is
and where
pouring
mass
gasoline
gathers,
on
the
this
grid is
fire,
stretched,
finding
creating a
massive,
gravitational.
fully formed galaxies that existed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Galaxies that, frankly, did not have the time to build themselves. But do not let this existential dread get to you. This is exactly how science is supposed to work. Every time the universe throws us a curveball that breaks our models, it forces humanity to evolve. We are standing on the edge of the greatest paradigm shift since Einstein proved Newton incomplete. The upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, launching later this decade, will map 1 billion galaxies. The European Space Agency's Euclid mission is already in space,
Einstein
taking
theorized
3D
that space
maps of
and
the
time
dark
are
universe as
interwoven
we
into a
speak.
flexible fabric.
These
and
are
where
not
mass
just
gathers, the
expensive
grid
cameras,
is stretched,
they are our
creating
best
a
shot at
gravitational
reading the secret blueprint of reality. They might finally tell us if these cosmic megastructures are glitches in the matrix, or the true skeletal structure of a cosmos far weirder than we ever dared to imagine. But this is not the only cosmic mystery threatening to rewrite history. Have you heard about the Great Attractor? A gravitational anomaly pulling our entire galaxy toward it at 1.3 million miles per hour, and we cannot even see what it is. Or the Boötes void, a spherical region of absolute nothingness so large it defies logic. Make sure you are following, because we are diving into both of those anomalies next week. Thank you for watching and for being part of this incredible community.
Into a flexible fabric.
Keep asking
and where
questions,
mass gathers,
keep
the grid is
challenging
stretched,
what you are told.
creating a gravitational.
The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up. I will see you in the next one.